This time we are going to convert decimal numbers to hexadecimal. And let's take a look at the first example. We have 9 base 10 I'm supposed to convert to hex. Look at this table. 9 decimal is equivalent to 9 in hex. That's why my answer is simply 9 base 10 is equal to 9 base 16. And this is simply the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this one. If you want to convert 13 base 10 to hexadecimal, 13 base 10 is equivalent to D in hex. That's why 13 is equivalent to D in base 16. And this is the solution to my problem.